1970, and today I'm going to be installing a set of rear tires on this TORO time cutter SS5000. The old tires were pretty worn and one of them wasn't holding air, so I'm just going to replace both of them. So let's get started. What I'm going to be doing is jacking up the rear of the mower, and I'm going to jack up right up underneath the rear of the frame. I'm going to just get a set of jack stands and put them underneath the two corners here. These take a 21mm socket. There's one. Go over and do the other one. Set the nuts off to the side and see if I can get the beads broken on these tires. Next, I'm going to be taking the core out of the valve, or the valve stem, and I'm probably going to get a new set of valve stems for this also. Set that out of the way, and then lube this up with some Super Clean, and then I'm going to take my big spoons and try to get in underneath here and work the seal down. See if I can break the bead with this. I'm just pushing in with the slip and forcing the bead in. Same thing with this side. Just kind of spreading out the bead and pushing down at the same time. Don't move. Now we got her. Now I'm going to take the tire off the other side. Hopefully without any issues. I'm going to start right over here. Could use bead protectors or a rim protector, but let's see how these rims are already messed up. Get my big one in here. Maybe not. Tire changing tool would make short work of that. There we go. That's one down. See if we can get the other one. Tire, same thing. This one's got a little bit of air in it. There we go. Now let's go to the hard side. Okay, both of them debated. Start from the valve stem side. Get that one off. Now let's see if I can get her off this way. There we go. That's the right one. So let's get some valve stems for this and get those new tires put on. We'll clean up those rims too. I got the rims all cleaned up. Use some super clean on it, a brush. Part number TORO 413. Got these from AutoZone. They're a little bit longer than the originals, but it should work just fine. Take this tool, hook it on here. Pull it up through. Place there. That looks good. Let me get my new tire. These are 18 by 950 by 8s. These are a 4-ply tire, same ply as the ones I took off. I'm going to be spraying these with some super clean, and hopefully it'll slide right over. There we go. A little bit on this side. Get my tools. I'm going to start from the opposite side of the valve stem. I'm going to put my knee in there. Get up underneath there. There we go. Wipe that down. I'm going to spray a little bit more. Have this super clean in there. Okay, I'm going to take this air chuck and put some air in here. It's not going to work like it. So I'm going to take this off. Fill this up. Should be about 15 psi. Looks pretty good. No bubble in there. We're 20 psi. I mean 15 psi. That's what I wanted. Check this side. Looks good. So I'll put this back over, get it ready to put back on the mower. Here's our other rim. Put a valve stem in it. Move this up. Hopefully slide that right down on there. There we go. I don't know why that was such a pain. Flip this side. That way. Let's start the opposite side. We did on the other one. Opposite from the valve stem. Put some pressure down on her. There we go. It's 15. Check for leaks. No bubbling on that side. Nothing bubbling in the valve stem. Check the other side. Don't see anything bubbling up there. Looks good. Okay, got this tire all done. Ready to go back on. So let's get back over to the mower and get these tires put on. Slide this tire on. Wheel on. I'm just gonna snug these up for now. Should be good. Slide it on, line it up. that'll do it. What I'm gonna do is jack this up. Lower the jack stands. Pull them out. And lower back down on the ground. And that should do it. That'll do it for installing rear tires on the TORO Time Cutter SS5000. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and stay safe. Thanks for watching.